Welcome to Stories for Lip Reading. If you haven't used our website before, we suggest you look at the How to Use page before you begin. We hope you enjoy this story, which is called The Sound of Maroons by Barry Wickens. It's a Sunday evening by the seaside as the sun sinks below the horizon in timeless fashion. Not a sound of a car or train disturbs the silence. Cattle are softly lowing in the fields, as befits the time of day, and a distant church bell can be heard. It is very much an English scene, so gentle, peaceful and still. Peace, an English peace, suddenly shattered by the booming of two Maroons. Lifeboat launch Maroons. In the small, ancient village church they were heard. The choir boy walked to the vicar. A quick conversation, the number board was changed, and the next hymn, instead of 354, became 487. Eternal Father, strong to save, whose arm doth bind the restless wave, who bids the mighty ocean deep its own appointed limits keep. O hear us when we cry to thee, for those in peril on the sea. The choir boy was hardly aware of the service. It was familiar, and he relied on knowing it by rote, lost almost in another world. On autopilot, his heart with the lifeboatmen. Were they in danger? Had the sea got rougher? In an hour it was over, and the boy walked, or rather ran home. As he entered the kitchen door, his mother called, "Dad's been called out." "I know, heard the Maroons, changed the hymn. The vicar's a good man for letting me do that." The boy had his supper and got ready for bed. The phone rang. It was the lifeboat secretary. "They're safely back," was all he said. "Good night, Mum," said the boy before climbing the stairs to his bedroom. The boy slept soundly until the cows began their dawn chorus, a more cheerful chorus for a new day, while the sun rose as so often before.